Did your latest Pandabuy haul not quite hit the mark? Don't worry, exchanging items is easier than you think, and I'm going to guide you through every single step. First, log into your Pandabuy account, navigate to the order section. This is where all your purchase history lives, and from where you will initiate your exchange request. Find a specific order containing the item you want to exchange. Click on Order Details to see all the items included in that order. Then select the item you want to exchange and press Apply After Sales. On the Apply After Sales page, you'll see options for return and refund and exchange. Select Exchange. Then a form will pop up asking you a few questions. The most important things to consider in the form are stating the reason for the exchange, selecting the desired size or color if applicable, and providing clear photos of the item. This will help the seller understand the issue and process your exchange more efficiently. After submitting your request, Pandabuy will assign an agent to assist you. They will communicate with the seller on your behalf to confirm the exchange eligibility. Keep an eye on your Pandabuy messages. Once the exchange is approved, you will receive instructions on how to return the original item. This usually involves printing a return label and shipping the item back to the seller's designated address. After the seller receives the returned item, they will ship out the replacement. You'll receive a notification when the new item has been shipped. That's it. Now you can breathe easy and enjoy your perfectly exchanged item. Make sure to subscribe for more Pandabuy tips and tricks. And happy shopping!